My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video review. The company that we're sharing with you today, if you're interested in earning over $100,000 a year working from your home, is a company called Envision App. And I hope you stay to the end of this video because we're sharing with you some very powerful information if you're looking to be able to work from the comfort of your home and have and earn over $100,000 a year. Envision App is a digital product design platform software. Right now we're on their corporate website, and I will be leaving the links to the company in the description below. I strongly suggest that you do visit their corporate website so you can learn more about Envision App. I'd like to give you a little background information on the company. Envision App is based in New York City. It was founded in 2011. The Envision is a digital design software platform, and it's used by companies all over the world. They have over 5 million people throughout the world that use their software. So if you do get a job with this company, they're looking for people that have coder skills, web coding skills, software engineer skills, product management skills, design skills, things of that nature. This right here, those skills will fit in very well with this company called Envision App. Envision App have employees in over 28 different countries which means that you can work for this company worldwide. So they're United States based, but they do have people working from them remotely worldwide. Now their mission statement is to bring design-driven innovation to every company in the world. So if you have those type of skills and you're looking to earn a six-figure income working from home, this company right here is well worth you taking a look at. Now, what I'm going to do is play this short video for you for the people out there that are technical people and have these type of skills and degrees. This little short video right here will give you a short overview of what the company does, what their application does, and what type of other companies works for them.
Envision is a window into everything that's being designed within Twitter.
Envision's helped us in many ways. One is just developing prototypes that enable us to get early signals before we actually write any code.
Within days of thinking about a problem that we want to attack, we can get something in front of a user.
Envision's most useful to us when we're working on something that's got some complexity to it.
Design starts taking this extra dimension where it's not necessarily about the space on a page, but a user's walk through time with that product. And that's where Envision helps.
It's allowed us to have design have a better platform in the company.
Everyone's on it, and that's not just design, that's engineering, that's product managers, QA. There's this shared understanding, shared thinking about the decisions that we're making. It's changed the way we design.
I absolutely think that Envision has helped my team collaborate better.
It's right there, this is where the comment is, and this is the answer to that one comment.
It's helped me to communicate my thoughts, my ideas as a designer.
Envision is a faster way to certainty.
It's a tool that allows us to bring design to life.
Envision is a game-changing design tool for us at HubSpot.
It's absolutely been essential to us, and now we just can't live without it.
So this told you a little bit of about Envision app, and lets you know that this is a rock solid company. It is a legit company. And what I'd like to do right now is share a little bit about some of the perks that you can get working for this company, and some of the job positions that they do have open at the present time. Okay, right here, one of the perks is that you can work anywhere from the where you have computer connection. They do stress health and wellness, so they have an excellent medical insurance program with personal coverage, and they do offer gym memberships throughout the United States for people that work for them. Their salaries are some of the best in the industry, so they do have high paying salaries, and they have a program for you to learn and grow, and they're generous with having a travel budget for you to go to different seminars and learn the up and coming thing that's in your niche, in your job skills with working with the company. They're very they have diversity. Everybody's being included, and they're just looking for people that can bring value to their workplace and their community and their foundation of what the company is all about. Now, they're looking for people that have design skills, USX researchers, engineering monetizations. They have software engineers. So anything in this field that you think that you have expertise in, this right here, this company might be a perfect fit for you. They're looking for senior software engineers, product managers, and then they have customer service and sales positions that are open here. So I strongly suggest that you come visit this link right here on their corporate website, and all you have to do is, let's say you're interested in this position right here, or let's say you might be interested in this position right here. You just click this link right here, and then when you click this link, it'll take you click the link to the UX researchers position. You click this, then it'll open up to a page right here. So it'll give you everything that you need to know about the position that you're applying for. They tell you what you need to even be considered for the position. They tell you about the vision of the company and what they're looking for as being part of this team. And you can apply for this job by filling out this form here, or you can just click this button right here and hit apply now. So and then also they have a link here where you can click here and see every job that they have available in the corporation. So let's talk a little bit now about their pay salaries. If you were coming aboard as a software engineer, their pay scale is anywhere from $76,000 to $292,000 a year. The average salary is $178,000. A senior software engineer pay range is the same, $76,000 to $292,000, and the mid range in this position is $152,000. A technical program manager average pay is $117,000 a year. A senior project manager average pay is $205,000 a year. So this page right here gives you a lot of information about what type of earnings that you will be earning in these positions. Engineering manager, $137, mid-range, and they go from lower end $69 to $212, and all this depends on your education and your skills. Now they have lower positions and sales positions, and their average sale position in a business development representative under their sales department is $52,000 a year, and account executive makes $91,000 plus a year. And some other popular jobs that they have: user experience researcher, $118,000. Starting salaries can range anywhere from $35,000 all the way to the top end of $248,000. All these pay scales depends on your experience and education. Envision app in the United States, these prices that we've been giving you pay pay quotes that we are giving you there are basically from the United States. They say the average Envision app salary ranges from approximately $52,000 a year all the way up to $205,000 a year. So this right here is an excellent resource for you to take a look at if you're interested in working for Envision app. I will leave all this information in the description below. With that being said, everybody, I hope you got some value, because this is a real serious company. If you've been downsized because of COVID, you're just sick and tired of being sick and tired and having to go back and forth to work, this right here is a very good alternative for you to be able to bring in a six-figure income working from home. I hope that you have found some value with this review on Envision app. If you did get some valuable value with this review, please leave me a thumbs up and a like. And again, subscribe to my channel, because we be providing valuable information to help keep you informed on different employment options out there in the community. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my comments. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link below this description, and I will leave some information for you on that. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, again, my name is Sandra Essex. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again on my next review.